McDonald's serves nearly 100 million meals every single day, all from just 40,000 outlets. That's more than entire countries, fed daily with shocking flawlessness. How on earth do they pull this off? Even wilder, it isn't just fast food, it's fast engineering. This is industrial food production at its finest, and it's nothing like you imagined. Let's unfold the whole secret behind one of the most successful billion-dollar food businesses. Have you ever wondered how these famous Chicken McNuggets came to be? Let's take a look inside one of the most popular fast food snacks in the globe. It all begins on farms that supply McDonald's. These farms raise birds that have been bred for uniform size and rapid growth, which is necessary for quality nuggets. The birds live in closely watched indoor spaces with strictly controlled temperature and lighting. The hens are transported to processing facilities once they're at their optimal weight, which usually occurs after 6 to 7 weeks. Following stringent USDA guidelines, they're compassionately cleaned, stripped, and examined. McNuggets mainly use breast meat, with some rib meat and tenderloins mixed in for perfect texture. The selected chicken parts get deboned and ground into a paste-like mixture, then blended with seasonings, salt, and natural flavors that bind everything together and keep nuggets juicy. Small amounts of leavening agents and modified food starch help maintain texture and prevent sogginess. Here's a fun fact: those nuggets come in 4 distinct shapes. The mixture gets formed into the bell, bone, boot, and ball using special molds. Once shaped, each nugget receives a double coating. First, a thin batter layer, then a thicker tempura-style coating. That's what creates their famous crunch. The coated nuggets take a quick pre-fry in vegetable oil before being flash frozen at super low temperatures. After that, these frozen nuggets are delivered to McDonald's restaurants all over the world in temperature-controlled trucks. The perfect combination of crispy outside and juicy inside is achieved by cooking these frozen nuggets at your local McDonald's in hot vegetable oil until golden, and the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The oil is regularly filtered to maintain purity. Finally, you can decide which dipping sauces to pair them with. To ensure that your McNuggets are tasty and up to par, McDonald's and its suppliers monitor every stage, from farm to fryer. Those golden McDonald's fries have already undergone a significant journey before they ever reach that iconic red box. It all starts in Washington and Idaho's rich volcanic soil, which is ideal for growing some really tasty potatoes due to its cold, consistent environment. Most frequently, farmers plant russet Burbank potatoes, which are valued for their length and firmness and yield the ideal combination of golden crispy outside and fluffy interior. Depending on what's available, they occasionally use Shepherdie or Ranger russet varieties. After harvest, potatoes undergo a thorough selection process. They are only selected if they meet the requirements for size, moisture content, and appearance. These selected potatoes are transported to processing plants in temperature-controlled trucks. At the plant, they are properly cleansed before their skins are removed by machines, and any flaws are eliminated by both human and technological inspectors. The cleaned potatoes are sliced into the traditional, consistent strips using specialized water knives, which are high-pressure streams. This precision ensures that every fry cooks consistently and has the recognizable McDonald's look. The next step, blanching in hot water, partially cooks them and removes excess sugar to prevent overbrowning. After being dried with hot air, the fries are first dipped in a mixture of vegetable oils. McDonald's recreates the unique flavor of beef tallow by adding natural beef flavor during this pre-frying process. Before being transported to McDonald's restaurants across the world, the partially cooked fries are flash frozen to preserve their flavor and texture. At your local McDonald's, these frozen strips are cooked in pure vegetable oil for about 3 minutes until perfectly golden. Once done, they get a quick shake and a precise salt sprinkle from special dispensers. The finished fries have a strict 7-minute freshness window in holding trays. And then, McDonald's takes the quality of their fries very seriously. Therefore, potatoes that don't meet the standards are sent out. With careful timing, every batch sizzles to achieve the ideal ratio of crispy outside to fluffy within. Whether you're eating fries in Dallas or Dubai, the attention to detail throughout the entire potato-to-plate journey guarantees that they taste just as good. Behind every Coca-Cola bottle lies an incredible realm of detailed engineering and closely guarded secrets. Water is the primary and most crucial element, but only specific water. Each drop undergoes extensive filtration processes to eliminate any impurities. Whether you're enjoying Coke in Cairo or Chicago, these large water purification facilities ensure that it has the same flavor. You can truly appreciate the vast scale of this operation when you're near these purifying tanks. The thrilling stage, crafting that unique Coca-Cola taste, follows. At first, sugar dissolves in the filtered water to create a tasty syrup foundation. The remarkable moment occurs when employees incorporate the legendary 7X formula, a flavor mixture so mysterious that only a limited number of individuals globally know its actual ingredients. The unique Coca-Cola flavor emerges when this exclusive flavor blend combines with the syrup base. Packaging preparations take place all at once throughout the facility. Glass bottles and aluminum cans line up ready to be filled, while small plastic preforms grow into familiar bottle shapes. Containers undergo high-speed filling systems to start the bottling process. Just picturing it makes you want to hear that wonderful hiss. The distinctive bubbles that tingle your tongue with each drink are produced by the simultaneous injection of carbon dioxide into each container as the Coca-Cola mixture flows into them. Each bottle and container should be sealed as soon as possible to maintain freshness and fizz. Keeping quality control in place is crucial. Each container is thoroughly inspected, and sophisticated sensors confirm the label positioning, cap seals, and fill levels. That bottle is taken out immediately if there is even the slightest problem. No matter where you drink Coke, your experience will always be ideal thanks to our commitment to excellence. Last but not least, like a masterfully played Tetris game, robotic arms precisely place bottles and cans onto pallets. After being wrapped and fastened, these pallets are shipped to retailers all around the world. From the production facility to your fridge, each Coca-Cola represents a remarkable blend of industrial precision, carefully preserved tradition, and a touch of beverage magic. You probably think of McDonald's and Coca-Cola as the go-to names for quick bites and fizzy drinks. Behind the scenes, however, these multinational giants are working to improve both their performance and their environmental effect. Consider McDonald's. They want to cut their carbon emissions by over half by the year 2030. That's a significant change. To get there, they're lightening up their entire supply chain to be more ecologically friendly, modernizing delivery trucks and improving the energy efficiency of their restaurants. On the other hand, Coca-Cola is focusing on its most important component, water. It is essential to every bottle, and the company is currently attempting to use less water for each product. It's a significant step in preserving nearby resources and assisting the communities where they do business. Both brands are also taking risks in the energy sector. Renewable energy is taking the place of traditional power sources. Think of wind turbines running factory lines and solar panels mounted on roofs. Next comes the packaging. McDonald's aims to ensure that all of its packaging is recyclable, compostable, or sourced sustainably by 2025. In the meantime, Coca-Cola plans to increase the recycled material in its bottles to 40% by the year 2035. It's all part of the effort to minimize waste and extend the lifespan of materials. From factory floors humming with precision to secret formulas locked away like treasures, the world behind your favorite fast food and drinks is anything but ordinary. So next time you pop open a Coke or dip a nugget into your favorite sauce, remember, there's an entire universe of science, sustainability, and sheer innovation making that moment possible.